So in this video we are going to see on how to do some quantity conversions. Now for example, I have taken here kilometer to miles. So first of all, we will take the input. So here I'm assuming that we are going to change kilometers to miles. All right, so I'm going to take a variable, let's say k is equal to, so I've written here k is equal to integer input, enter kilometer. So what I want is this value of kilometer to be changed into miles. Now the conversion from kilometer to miles is like this. So 1 kilometer is equal to 0.621371 mile. For approximate value, I'm going to be taking 0.621. That's all. So now we know that 1 kilometer is going to be 0.621 miles. So for that, I'm going to do a conversion here. Here I would be getting a variable small m is equal to k into the value which we saw here, right over here, this one, 0.621. So I'm going to just copy this one, I'm going to paste it here. So whatever the value of kilometer I'm going to input, it will be multiplied with the conversion type, and then at the last I'm going to simply print something like this, and then here I'm going to put a comma and then small m. So what is small m? Small m is denoting the miles. Let's run the program and check. So I'm going to write here, for example, 54 is going to give me 33.534. let's check that using Google. So 54, it's approximate 33.554, and here I'm going to get 33.534. it's approximate, but if you want to get the approximate value, the exact value, you should use this one, 0.621371. Simply I'm going to copy this same thing, and then I'm going to go to my file here, and then instead of this one I'm going to paste this value. And if I run the program now, look, you have to see the difference here. Before it, earlier it was 33.534, and now it is 33.5540. all right, now I'm going to use the same technique to change kilogram to pounds. All right, now just see how I'm going to edit this same three line coding to so that it can be able to change kilogram to pounds. Now if you see here, 1 kilogram is equal to 2.20462 pounds. So I'm going to copy this one first, and then I'm going to go here. First thing first, I'm going to change this text here, enter kilogram. Once I have done that, I'm going to change this value to the new one, the conversion value, and then here I'm going to type here value in pounds. Right, it's simple, no need to change the variable name because it does not matter. If I'm going to run the program now, so I'm going to type here, enter kilogram, 30 kilogram. So according to this calculation, 30 kilogram gives 66.13 pound. Let's check that. I'm going to type here 30, 66.13. It's same. All right, this 3-line code can be used in many ways when you are changing liter to milliliter or kilogram to gram, or any kind of simple conversions in mathematics. There are just some things to know. First line should contain the input. All right, so this one, first line contains the input, second line should contain the conversion, and the last line contains the print command. Now one thing is very important here actually. Instead of creating a variable here, I can simply use this part. I'm going to simply copy it, I'm going to paste it here, then I'm going to remove this part. So this here nothing happens. Here there is a mathematical calculation. In contrast with the previous one, there was a variable which was having this and we were printing the variable, but here we are simply writing the calculation here. But I prefer the previous method because it is more organized, so you can use that later on. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel.